Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for cultural heritage tours and experiences business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, create a new site. Now build with the Wix editor. Here, enter your business or your website type. So, for example, let's choose this. Now enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Here, if you want to add something to your website, bookings, chat, online store, and online games, online programs, portfolio. So I'm gonna choose them all. Now go to dashboard. Now you can design your site here. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So enter your information here. Your business name, your email, your address, and your phone. And if you wanna add a social link, so let's continue. Pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design, for example this. Here if you want to add some page to your site, now your site is up and running. So if you want to edit more your site, click here. So this is the homepage website. If you want to add elements, you can add elements from here. Click add elements. So the first element here is the text element. Here you find the form or the shape of the text. You can select any one you want, and the titles, the paragraphs. Now let's move on to the image. Here you find the image. If you wanna looking for some image, if you're looking for some image, click here. If you wanna upload image or import image, if you're looking for some free Wix image, if you wanna free Wix illustrations image. Now let's move on to the button elements. Here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, and the iTunes buttons, and the Wix chat buttons. Here you find the payments buttons. So you have to add something, some payments buttons on your homepage website. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip elements. Here find the strip elements, the classic, the featured, about, services, contact, and welcome, and testimonials, and theme. So select any one of them here, and you can put it on your homepage website. Now let's move on to the decorative elements. So here the themed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Here find the vector art, the feature, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and the badges and the characters. And the last here is the video elements, the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So let's move on to the boxes elements. Here find the themed boxes, the container boxes, and the hover boxes, and the tabs. You can select any one of them and add it on any place on your home page. Now let's move on to the galleries. Here you find the recommended galleries, the pro galleries, and the guide galleries, and the slider galleries. If you want to show more galleries, so just select any one of them. You can put it on your home page. Now let's move on to the menus and the anchor. Here you find the themed menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Also here find the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu, and here you find the search, the site search. So let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you can add any form you want, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, the waiver and subscribe forms. Here you find the Google Maps, you find the maps and the full width maps. Here we find the chats, the Wix chat button and the line button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and music. Here we find the single video players, the Wix video, video box, video mask and transparent video. Also we find the audio players, the Wix music and SoundCloud player and Spotify player and iTunes player. So if you want to add something from your music elements, you can add audio players or anything you want. Now let's move on to the interactive. You can edit the slideshows, full width slideshows or the box slideshows. Here you find the light boxes. Here you find the boxes, the over boxes and the tabs, and the last here the repeaters, the over repeaters. Now let's move on to the list. Here you find the repeaters, the over repeaters and the blank repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. Here we find the popular embeds. Here the video, single video players. Here we find the audio elements. If you want to add some SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes player, here you find the advanced elements, the marketing tools or the video dev mode, and the last here is the animation element. So let's move on to the social bar. Here we find the social bar. If you want to add some Facebook link, Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, and the last here is YouTube. So that's it. Now let's move on to the payments. Here you can add some payments buttons. You have to add some payments buttons on your homepage. Here if you want to manage your payments forms, and here the last is pricing plans, and here you find the store elements. You can edit the store elements if you want. Now let's move on to CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site content, if you want to blog, if you want to edit the blog, so here is the blog elements. Now let's move on to the store. If you want to edit your store elements, the bookings and the events, the community, and the last is your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add some sections, select any section from here and you can add it on your home page. If you want to edit your site design, here if you want to customize your site design, if you want to edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions, here if you want to add some page and menu, here if you want to add some apps, if you want to manage your business, here if you want to upload your media, you can edit images and videos, you can upload your media, and also here if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix videos, here if you want to easily manage your site content, and here if you the marketing and SEO is about the Google ads and Facebook ads and the marketing. So that's it. Now after you're done from editing and designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish. They're gonna publish your website easy and quick, and that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video, and that's it.